guys, welcome back to the 5.0 Tussin YouTube channel for the algorithm. Let's go ahead and do this deal right here. As you saw, we moved the failed TD out of the way. And as you know, our last track trip, we had some issues. I technically haven't edited that video yet, so I don't really know what I have or haven't said. I've even got my hands wrong for the deuce strike. What the actual crap. So. All right. Oh, okay. So what are we doing? Well, we're behind schedule, not as far as work, but what we were going to do as far as modifications. It's one step forward, two steps back. I probably explained this in the TNT video, but in case you didn't watch that or I didn't explain it, we had some issues with the transmission. Transmission drives fine, shifts fine. It just don't race fine. So I'm not going to sit here and say that I'm Bob Glidden, but I'm also not going to say that I'm the worst stick shift driver of all time. So there's a mechanical issue with the transmission as far as racing it. I missed third gear the exact same way twice in a row. That, something happened, something's going on with the trans. Could knock shift fork pads off. Could be wear. Could I don't know. We don't know. So, but we know we can't race it. So we're gonna sweep shop out. We've got the brain on the pad back there. I haven't posted the brain video of me going into it and all this stuff. I don't know. I get frustrated about things and aggravated, and I don't want to say that I make knee-jerk reactions, but I do get impulsive at times about certain things. And I don't know. Honestly, I'm really at a little bit of. I really just want to go NA with it and just go have fun and race it and stuff like that. I don't know, just giving up on it, and that's strictly the speed demon in me talking. Like, hey, I know you with the power out of it. It was just something. I did not retort that side. I checked the other side, and they were good. Well, I checked, they were all good. I did not check the other side, so I mean, what the luck of the draw. Sometimes you take things as an omen, like, hey, this is, I just don't know. So anyway, this also, we're going to do the transmission. I was going to do the B cam. The original plan was to go test and tune, do the B cam today, or the X cam today, and then race tomorrow. Now, obviously, it's transmission today and race tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to do the cam. We'll see how that works out. You'll know by the end of this video one way or the other. That also gives me time to think about what I want to do with brain. I mean, we're going to put a head gasket on it regardless. We can go ahead and do that. But what are we going to do? Are we going to go back with the EFI and the supercharger the way it was, just run it? I don't know. I got to quit talking about it. So anyway, I got to sweep the shop out. Then we're going to pull this thing in here. It sucks doing it in here, but the brain's on the pad. I don't want to move them, so push him around. It's a pain in the butt. So anyway, let me get to work. What transmission are we putting in? The regular T5 that was in the brain. It worked flawlessly. We just put the Z-SPEC in anticipation of having the blower. We put the Z-SPEC in brain with the 410s. That was strictly for the blower, not for any kind of maintenance or anything like that. So we've got a perfectly good T5 that I was perfectly happy with, that shifted and ran great. We're going to stick it in here, and then when we get a chance, we're going to pull this one apart or take it and see if we can find what we can find, because I got some T5 work I got to do for David. He's not hounding me. I shouldn't say it like that, but I'm a bad friend. Let's just put it like that. Not that anybody didn't know that. Let's get them jacked up. Start spinning some wrenches. Got it jacked and racked. Oh, man. For the record, like I say, I was going to do cam today, but I told Teresa to do transmission. I don't really think I'm going to do anything. I'm not going to do the cam. And she's like, she goes, hey, you just take all the time you need, get it done. We ain't got to go eat or nothing tonight. It's fine. Just do your thing. So, bless her heart. I got a good woman. I'm lucky. Shifter is out. Drive shaft's out. Mufflers are off. Crossmember bolts are out. We'll fix to take crossmember out. Then 4 more bolts, and we'll be sliding it out. Very odd. I feel like that that we've done this a few times. So nice and tight. Man, that sucks. That's just something is going on in there on that 3/4 shift fork that's not allowing us to drive it the way we need to drive it to get our best ET. I don't care. I don't care if it runs 650s, 750s, or 850s, or 950s. If I can't go up there and leave off the limiter, or the two-step, or leave how I want to, and shift it the way I want to, I don't want to drive it. I don't want to drive it. That ain't no fun. Don't matter what it runs. All right, we've got our other trans out, nice and tidy. Not that you can tell the difference, they're just the same, they basically look identical. One T5 looks like every T5. All right, let's stab this garbage in here. Got the trans in, gotta do the exhaust. We did do one minor upgrade, if you want to call it that. We put the solid, we just used a cross member that we had that had the solid competition engineering solid bushings, and we use a urethane mount. Just, I mean, that's not really an upgrade, but whatever. I've got a few cross members that have those. Thought we'd go ahead and put it in so it's not using it. So now I'll put the exhaust on, put drive shaft in, bolt shifter in. I may drain the fluid out of it and put fresh fluid in it too, just because. So anyway, we're on our way. Now's as good a time as any to fill it up with fresh fluids. Stuff that came out didn't look bad at all, but it's cheap. Go ahead and change it. We don't know when we're gonna change it again. Fluid in it, shifter in it. Oh, we gotta put some grip tape on that too. We've lost some. Drive shaft bolts pounded in. We even put a little Loctite on them. Well, that's gonna do her. Teresa's on her way home with some Whataburger for me. Bless. I tell you what, man. I may have days like yesterday where transmission's not acting right, fuel pump goes out. I got it made, because with her, I've got it made. I got it made. I'm lucky. I'm very lucky person, very lucky guy. So we'll call that a wrap. We only got to test this transmission. It went 690s in brain. I mean, we're 100% confident in it. So we're gonna put it in, and I don't know when we're gonna take the other one apart. To just my curiosity, I would like to see, just take it and say, oh well, wow, is this, or we found this, or this looks suspect, or we may just say nothing looks suspect, which is even more suspect. Then we would have to go a little deeper into it without just taking the tail shaft off and the top cover off and kind of going, what do we got here? I don't know when we'll do that. The good news is we're ready to race tomorrow as of right this moment. We'll see where we go from here. And I guess that's about it. So thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we certainly wouldn't want to, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body Videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year, 5-speed, single plane, push rod, 5.0 Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans in the middle of a moral crisis. We've always had Club Big Boost, not always, but we've had Club Big Boost and our naturally aspirated stuff together. We've walked both lives. I don't know. We'll see. But, and as always, fighting a good fight against them zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. Damn, we owe him one. He put it on us. So, mechanical failure or not, we gotta own the misses. So, we'll see you guys in the next video, right, Henry? You don't care.